For those who are new to my channel, or here for the first time, hello and welcome. I'm Nico from Nicolette's Art Journey. For over 10 years, I've drawn portraits of people and pets. But this year I started something new, landscapes in pan pastels. I'm also learning how to film and edit, so bear with me if I forget to press record again. Today, I want to try out a landscape inspired by this sunset here on the screen. For small details, I will be using pastel pencils. I don't have the full pan pastel set, so matching the colors was a challenge. Grab your tools and let's create something beautiful together. Today we're exploring pan pastels again, letting the colors flow naturally on the paper. And even though pan pastels are incredibly soft, and honestly a little messy, I absolutely love them. They're so versatile. You can apply them with sponges, brushes, even your fingers. Remember, art is about expressing yourself, not perfection. It was just a simple moment on a rainy day during the wet season in Japan. The storm had passed, and for a few minutes the sky turned a soft purple. Nothing dramatic, just quiet and still. This view is from Suwa Lake in the heart of Nagano, right in the center of Japan. I didn't paint it from memory. I used a short video I filmed that day, because I wanted to remember how calm it felt. As I painted, I realized something. Not every beautiful moment has to be big. Sometimes peace is enough. This piece came together slowly, some in the morning light, some in the afternoon, and I never paint all at once. It made the process slower, but more thoughtful. This painting holds that quiet pause after the storm. Thanks for watching and sharing this moment with me. Leave a comment if you enjoyed it, and see you in the next story.